Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel WA Electronics. Today we're checking out a tool that every network technician, installer, or DIY troubleshooter should know about, the FNIRSI LPM-10A, a smart multifunctional cable tracker and network tester with a full-color display and a ton of useful features. We'll unbox it, walk through each function, test it in real-world scenarios, and I'll tell you whether it's worth the money. Let's jump in. All right, let's see what comes inside the box of the FNIRSI LPM-10A. First, we get the LPM-10A main unit, compact, rugged, and with a nice 2.4-inch color screen. Next, we have a receiver unit, compact, rugged, next, Type-C charging cable, a set of alligator clips for telephone and bare wire tracing, a headphone cable so you can listen to the tracing tone privately when you're in a noisy environment, an RJ45 to RJ11 adapter cable, great for telephone line work, a standard RJ45 cable for testing, user manual, simple and clear, and finally, a nice storage bag, really handy for field technicians. So overall, the accessories are complete, practical, and ready for real-world use. The LPM-10A feels solid in the hand, with an ergonomic shape that's easy to grip. We get a 2.4-inch color screen, bright and clear, an adjustable backlight, good for dark server rooms, a Type-C charging port, finally replacing old micro USB, a 3000 mAh lithium battery that promises up to 10 hours of use. Buttons are clicky, menus are simple, and the build feels surprisingly premium for its price point. The LPM-10A packs a lot of functions into one device. Cable tracing with normal and anti-interference modes, Wiremap and continuity tests, cable length measurement with plus or minus 3.2 meters accuracy, RJ45 crimping test, PoE detection, voltage, standard, and mode, port flashing for switch identification, network speed test, built-in NCV, non-contact voltage detection, and even a flashlight for dark environments. This is pretty much a Swiss Army knife for network technicians. Cable tracing. Let's start with cable tracing. Connect the transmitter to the cable using an RJ45 port or alligator clips. The receiver instantly picks up the tone. Normal mode is fast and works best in clean environments. Anti-interference mode shines in data centers or places with heavy electrical noise. You can also adjust sensitivity to pinpoint exact cables. Scan or NCV, non-contact voltage detection. This feature detects live wires without touching them. If it senses voltage, it alerts you, helping prevent accidental shock while working around electrical lines. Wiremap and crimp test. Next, Wiremap. This checks open circuits, shorts, miswiring, crossed pairs, split pairs. If your RJ45 connector is crimped incorrectly, the tester tells you exactly which pin is wrong. Super useful for diagnosing unstable internet connections. Cable length measurement. Now the length test. With one click, the LPM-10A measures cable length using TDR technology. Accuracy is within plus or minus 3.2 meters up to 100 meters. That's impressive for a compact tester. PoE detection. When dealing with IP cameras, VoIP phones, or APs, PoE is critical. The LPM-10A shows voltage level, PoE standard 802.3 AF/AT, and power supply mode, Mode A or Mode B. This is amazing for diagnosing IP camera issues. Port flashing and network speed test. Port flashing helps you find which port on the switch your cable is connected to, a lifesaver in crowded racks. Network speed test shows whether your cable supports full duplex or half duplex, which helps you detect performance bottlenecks. Battery and usability. The 3,000 milliamp-hour battery lasts up to 10 hours, and Type-C charging is fast and convenient. Navigation is simple, menus are easy to understand, and the flashlight is a nice touch when working behind racks. Pros and cons. Pros: bright 2.4-inch color display, anti-interference cable tracing, accurate length measurement, PoE voltage plus mode detection, lots of included accessories, great build quality for the price, Type-C charging, compact and technician-friendly. Cons: no built-in tone generator on the transmitter unit. The tone comes from the receiver. NCV sensitivity is moderate, and it only supports English and Chinese languages, no others yet. So, is the FNIRSI LPM-10A worth it? Absolutely. For the price, it offers features usually found in much more expensive testers. Whether you're installing home networks, working in IT, handling CCTV, or managing structured cabling, this tool makes the job faster and more accurate. Curious to try it? Check the link below and use the discount code for a great deal. If you found this unboxing and review helpful, hit that like button. Subscribe for more tech tool reviews, and drop a comment if you want to see a comparison with other network testers. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.